Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with Citi, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all necessary personal information, including your social security number and income details. Visit the official Citi website or download the Citi mobile app. Navigate to the credit cards section. Browse through the available credit card options. Select the credit card that best suits your needs. Click on the Apply Now button. Fill in the required personal information in the application form. Provide your contact details, including your email and phone number. Enter your financial information, including your employment status and income. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Submit your application by clicking on the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation screen or email indicating that your application has been received. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your application. If approved, you will receive a notification with your card details and next steps. Follow the instructions provided to activate your credit card once it arrives. Log into your Citi account to manage your card and track your spending. Consider enrolling in any available rewards programs or setting up automatic payments. Familiarize yourself with the cardholder agreement and any fees associated with your credit card. Set a budget to effectively manage your spending on the card. Regularly monitor your account to ensure security and track your payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.